In a quiet classroom where nothing exciting ever happens, something very stupid is about to happen.
Let's go! I want 50,000! Let's go! Look at this, guys! Look! 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 I don't look! Look! I just need to make this link. Finally, I am rich! Goodbye, poor life! Wait. Wait. Why did it suddenly turn down? It can't be. No! My email! My diamond! No!
Guyo, tell me, you did not click the scam link.
Yes, I did. It says here, congrats, you won 50,000. And I clicked the link.
OMG, everyone! Breaking news! The moon disappeared daw. Share ko lang kasi I care about your safety.
Cherish, who told you that? Facebook, TikTok, or your imagination?
Of course, the comment section.
Cherish, comments are not educational source.
Wait, I'm about to win. No way, everyone is talking. You distracted me. I died. I hate you all.
Patrick, ginawa mo na ba yung essay mo?
Na-edit ko pa po.
Essay? Ini-edit? Patrick!
All of you, sit down. We need to talk about technology today.
Good morning, Mom. Peace and goodwill to you, Mom. So why is everyone shouting? Is there a problem?
Ano, walang magsasalita? Kanina ang ingay-ingay nyo? Who is your president?
I'm the class president, Mom. Good. So what happened? Explain. Mom, it all started with Guyo.
Hala, ba't ako agad?
Eh kasi naman, bigla na lang po siyang nagsisigaw na I won 50,000. Kaya nagpanik kami. Guyo, is that true?
Yes po, ma'am. Sabi po kasi nanalo daw ako ng 50,000. Kaya hindi ko po yun.
Guyo, how many times did we reminded you? Don't click suspicious links.
Sabi po, ma'am. Sabi po kasi congrats. Kaya nadala po kasi mission 20 po yung
So what about the other noise?
Ma'am, si Cherish nag-share ng fake news.
Oh, shut up! Akala ko po kasi totoo kasi nasa Facebook comment section. Comments? You trusted the comments? Yes po. Is there a problem?
You need to check it first if it's credible. And Patrick, what's your issue?
Nagdala po kasi ito, ma'am. Gagalit po kasi si Cassandra dahil hindi ko po nagagawa ang isay ko.
Ma'am, alit na po kasi siya. Hindi gumagalaw pag naglalaro. So let me explain. Guyo got scammed because he didn't think before clicking. Cherish spread fake news because she didn't clarify the source. And Patrick is addicted to games because he lacks control. So, in short, we are all the problem? Yes!
Technology is not bad, but if you use it wrongly, it will ruin you. And so, our chaotic classmates learned a lesson. Protect your information, check your sources, and most importantly,
Think before you click!